Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and my hair is blonde again, which you guys know what that means. It is time to dye my hair. We are continuing on with this journey to finding the perfect pink, and today we're going to try out Lime Crime's unicorn hair in the shade Bunny. Now this is one I have been wanting to try since it came out. As soon as I saw it, like, oh my god, Lime Crime's coming out with pink hair dye, I need it. But alas, at that time I wasn't allowed to dye my hair. And then I started dyeing my hair other colors. I've just had this one for a couple months and now I am ready to do it. Like, look at this pink. It is going to be so pretty. I am so excited about this. I can't wait. Now this is technically a tint. So when I do the tints from Lime Crime, I use the entire bottle instead of just parts of it like I would if they had a normal dye. But this one is a tint, so I want to make sure that I get the full color. So when I mix this with the conditioner, I'm just going to use the entire jar. Now, a reason why I kind of hoarded this color for so long is because I wanted to use the shade Bunny in April, because like Easter bunnies and spring, I don't know, it's cute. It's pastel pink, like I couldn't resist. But I'm just so excited. Oh my god, I love the smell of Lime Crime's hair dyes too. I am so ready to open this up. So I'm just going to go in with the container. This is just a Taco Bell lid from my nacho fries. I cleaned it out and we're going to use this as a mixing bowl because I honestly cannot find any of my normal ones. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put in some of our trusty white conditioner. Again, I usually always use the Suave Coconut because one, it's super cheap and it's white and it smells nice. Like, what am I going to do? So I'm going to pour about a quarter of the bottle in. This is the family size bottle, so it's going to be slightly more than normal because normally I would do like a half a bottle, so right now we're going to do a quarter of it. We're just going to take this entire jar and pour it into this container and start mixing it together. So I've entered it all in and I'm just going to start mixing it all together to make that perfect pink shade. And you just stir until it's all mixed in. Now before you start applying it, make sure you brush out all the knots from your hair. Once your hair is all brushed out, normally you should apply a pair of gloves, but I am out of gloves right now. I just realized this. I am literally a mess for this video, guys. I had no gloves and I can't find my hair dyeing shirt. Like, who am I? Like, what is going on? But I'm going to start applying this with my hands. That's just how I do it. You can use a tint brush if you'd like, but I just think it's easier for myself using my hands. So I just go in and I'm going to focus on the root and just kind of bring it down in little inch pieces to cover it all and make sure it's all nice and coated. And I really run through the strand, make sure I'm covering everything. Okay, so camera stopped recording midway through me applying all this hair dye, but you're gonna just keep going until your hair is completely saturated. Okay, so my camera kind of stopped recording in the middle of me putting this on, but I got halfway through it. So once your hair is completely saturated with the dye, you are literally just going to take it, wrap it around your head, like so, and once you got it all up and out of your face, I'm just going to take, I use a plastic bag, or you can use a shower cap, anything you would like, and I just wrap it around. So I put this on to protect my clothes, my room, pretty much everything around me from the hair dye, because I'm going to let this sit for a couple hours and then we'll rinse it out and we'll see how it comes out. And this is the final result. I am literally obsessed. I feel so cute right now. This is literally the perfect shade of pink, guys. I have already found it, and it is just the beginning of this series. Now, low-key, kind of don't want to try other dyes because I love this pink so much, but I promised this series, and I still am intrigued by what other pink dyes look like. So I'm going to keep this one on the back burner to remember that this is like my favorite pink so far. I love it. It is so cute. It is like a perfect bubblegum pink. I am obsessed. My only downfall with it is that I had to use this entire container for the color, and I do like to have dyes that like I can use multiple times and just mix with that, but since this is a tint rather than a dye, I had to use the entire thing to mix with my conditioner just to be safe. I may try later on to see if like maybe if I use half of it, but who knows, we'll figure out the logistics of it. But I really am loving this color. I think it is like my favorite shade of pink so far. I love it. Like when I think of what my favorite shade of pink is, this is literally my favorite shade of pink. So I'm obsessed. I look so cute right now. Like I'm feeling it. Now honestly, my hair is a couple days old now. I have this problem where I always dye my hair right before I go to an event, and then I never get to film the after part until it's like dirty and gross. But I saw Porter over the weekend. He was playing a virtual self show. It was 3.5 hours of just pure dancing. I was up till 4:30 in the morning dancing with this. And I hope to say my hair still looks pretty nice for all the dancing and sweating it was doing, because I only wash my hair once a week, and I was not going to wash this hair until I filmed this part of the video. And like, I just feel so cute. Like, I am obsessed. I really need to trim my bangs, but I love this color, guys. I just feel so happy and so cute, and like this is the best shade of pink ever. But yeah, I am super happy with how this ended. Lime Crime, you killed it again. They are my favorite makeup brand, and they are my favorite hair brand so far. I just love it so much. Can this company just stop taking all my money? But yeah, I feel really, really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that would just be really, really rad of you guys. And also comment down below what hair color you guys think I should do next. Well, brand of dye. It's gonna be pink, so not hair color. But what brand should I try next? We have Lime Crime and Arctic Fox done. So who shall I go to the store and buy after this one's going? I am going to be doing a review on the Arctic Fox soon, just kind of an overview. I just got to figure out how I want to film that, but I will be giving like my final thoughts on the dye soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!